द जर्नी ऑफ बिरयानी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है बिरयानी इंडिया में कैसे आई। द जर्नी ऑफ बिरयानी फ्रॉम इट्स exotic origins to domination in the Indian cuisine. Discover the fascinating origins of biryani, a dish that all the Indians would love to indulge in.
Biryani is a timeless classic जो किसी introduction की मोहताज नहीं है. India boasts a diverse culinary landscape, but biryani holds a special place in the heart of all Indians. The intricate blend of spices and aromas in a biryani epitomizes the pinnacle of Indian cuisine. If you're a fan of this delectable dish, prepare to elevate your appreciation as we explore the story behind biryani's extraordinary journey in India. Contrary to the popular belief, biryani India में originate नहीं हुई. The term biryani is made up of two words, biryan and birinj, meaning fried before cooking, and brinj meaning rice. There are multiple theories which exist about the arrival of biryani in India. One such legend suggests that the Turk-Mongol conqueror Timur brought a precursor to biryani in India in 1398. It was considered to be a nutritious meal that was provided to the soldiers, cooked in an earthen pot buried in a hot pit. Another theory persists that Arab traders brought the dish to India's Malabar coast. Records mention a similar dish called oon suru in Tamil literature dating back to 2 AD, which included rice, ghee, meat, turmeric, coriander, pepper, and bay leaf used to nourish warriors. A similar purpose of nourishing the warriors was again brought up during the reign of Shah Jahan by Mumtaz Mahal, when she engaged with a few chefs in the barracks of soldiers and asked them to prepare a nutritious meal for the warriors, considering rice being fried in ghee for a nutty flavor and then adding meat along with spices. Then we know of the Nizams of Hyderabad, as the Hyderabadi biryani is very famous. What they did is they started adding a few accompaniments like biryani with mirch ka salan and bagare baigan. Perfect biryani requires precise ingredients and techniques. Traditionally, the dum pukt method, which is also known as a slow cooking, is used, wherein the ingredients are slow cooked in a seal pot over charcoal. Spices जो हैं बिरयानी की कुकिंग में एक बहुत ही क्रूशियल रोल प्ले करते हैं, with recipes varying from a few to over 15 different spices. बिरयानी commonly features meat or chicken, but coastal variations may occur. जब हम नॉर्थ की बात करें तो वहाँ पर लॉन्ग ग्रेन बासमती राइस प्रेफर किया जाता है, जबकि साउथ में लोकल वैरायटीज लाइक जीरा, सांबा एंड कायमा, each of its own variety are preferred. There are two main types of biryani. One of them is the kachi, which means raw, and the pakki means cooked. Kachi biryani layers raw meat and raw rice and cooks them together. Biryani has evolved over centuries, blending various cultures, ingredients, and cooking styles. From an army staple to a royal delicacy, biryani is now a beloved dish across India. Here are some must-try regional biryanis. The Mughlai biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, Didigul biryani, Lucknowi biryani, Arkot biryani, to name a few. Others in the list include Memon biryani, Thalasari biryani, Tahari biryani, Berry biryani, Sindhi biryani, oh my god, and the list goes on. Biryani, a complete meal suitable for any occasion, continues to be a beloved part of India's culinary heritage, enjoyed with love and enthusiasm by all. Thank you all for watching this video. For more such informative and interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to Kata Chamcha Vlogs. See you in the next video. Ciao.